Washburne Repair LLC has been a leading auto, ATV, and UTV repair shop serving West Burlington, Danville, Denmark, New London, Mount Pleasant, and surrounding areas since 2010. Owner Cody Washburne became passionate about working on cars while working with his dad at a young age. He takes pride in providing a one-stop shop for all car-related repairs, so he can serve the community doing what he does best. Washburne Repair LLC offers oil changes, tire rotation, transmission and engine repair, diagnostics, truck repair, and much more. For all your auto repair and tire purchasing needs, give Washburne Repair LLC a call at 319-931-9159 or stop by to visit and learn more.